Hello friends, I CMA Sangeet Saurav has came up today with latest government job notifications this week. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then please like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss a single government job alert. Telegram channel link has been provided at the description of this video. Please join the Telegram channel to receive latest updates on government vacancies. साथ ही साथ वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में बताए गए सभी वैकेंसी की नोटिफिकेशन दी गई है जहां पर जाकर वैकेंसी के लिए अप्लाई किया जा सकता है. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. The first vacancy has came from Central Power Research Institute, that is CPRI. Name of the post is Assistant Grade 2. Total number of posts is 18, out of which 8 seats is for unreserved. For OBC non-creamy layer there are 5 seats, for EWS 2 seats and for scheduled caste there are 3 seats. As far as education qualification is concerned, so for it BCom or BBA or BSc or BA or BCA is required. Mode of examination would be computer based test, that is CBT. Salary per month would range between rupees 25,500 to rupees 81,100. As far as experience is concerned, so for this post experience required is nil. Yani if you are freshers, in that case also you could apply for this post. Nature of employment is permanent. As far as age limit is concerned, then it's 30 years for unreserved, 33 years for OBC and 35 years for STSE. As far as application fee is concerned, तो इसके लिए ₹100 for unreserved OBC and EWS. और अगर आप ST/SC, PWD, women या ex servicemen हो, in that case application fee is nil. The last date of application is 14th of April 2023. Vacancy number 2 has came from Ircon International Limited. Name of the post is Finance Assistant. Total number of posts are 5, out of which 4 seats is for unreserved and 1 seat is for OBC non-creamy layer. As far as education qualification is concerned, so for that either CA Inter or CMA Inter is the requisite education qualifications. Mode of examination would be walk-in interview. Salary per month would be rupees 36,000. As far as experience is concerned, so for it 3 years experience in accounts, taxation or audit is required. Nature of employment contractual है. Age limit 35 years है. Application fee is nil and the last date of application is 27th of April 2023. Vacancy number 3 has came from the State Trading Corporation of India Limited. Name of the post is Company Secretary. Total number of posts is 1. As far as education qualification is concerned, so for this membership of Institute of Company Secretary of India is required. Mode of examination would be interview. Salary per month would be rupees 70,000. And as far as experience is concerned, so for it 5 years post qualification experience is required. Nature of employment is contractual. Age limit is 50 years. Application fee is nil and the last date of application is 30th of April 2023 and application to be sent by either post or email. तो जो नोटिफिकेशन दे रखा है कंपनी ने उसमें एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है. उस एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को भर के या तो आप ऑर्डिनरी पोस्ट से उसे हार्ड कॉपी में सेंड कर सकते हो और नहीं तो फिर ईमेल आईडी जो दे रखा है नोटिफिकेशन में उस ईमेल आईडी पे जाके आप उसे फॉर्म भर के आप सेंड कर सकते हो. डिटेल सारे वैकेंसीज का मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल रखा है, तो एक बार काइंडली आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को गो थ्रू हो जहां से आपको और फर्दर डिटेल सारी वैकेंसीज की प्राप्त हो पाए. Vacancy number 4 has came from Deen Dayal Upadhyay College. Name of the post is Section Officer Accounts. Total number of posts is 1. As far as education qualification is concerned, then minimum education qualification is graduate, but preference would be given to a chartered accountant. Mode of examination would be written test. Salary per month would be rupees 44,900 plus dearness allowance. As far as experience is concerned, तो इसमें experience in accounts and finance, PSU, government department और purchase department is required. Nature of employment contractual है. Age limit has not been specified in the notification. Application fee is nil and the last date of application is 21st of April 2023 and that is ऑन ऑफलाइन मोड। तो इसमें भी एप्लीकेशन का फॉर्मेट दे रखा है, उस फॉर्मेट को भर के आप बताए गए एड्रेस पे आपको हार्ड कॉपी सेंड करनी पड़ेगी। वैकेंसी नंबर 5 has came from Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level 2023. Name of the post is Assistant Audit Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer. Total number of posts is not specified, लेकिन somewhere around 300 to 350 सीट्स आसपास होनी चाहिए, जो कि असिस्टेंट अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर या फिर असिस्टेंट ऑडिट ऑफिसर के लिए होगी। एज फार एज एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन इज कंसर्न्ड, तो इसमें इसेंशियल क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर डिग्री मांगा गया है, बट डिजायरेबल क्वालिफिकेशन इज सीए, सीएमए, सीएस, एमबीए फाइनेंस और एमकॉम। As far as mode of examination would be concerned, तो mode of examination would be computer based test, that is CBT, and that would be held in 2 tier. पहले आपका जो tier 1 examination जो होगा वो आपका CBT based test होगा, उसमें उस बेसिस पे शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग की जाएगी आपकी मेरिट लिस्ट बनाकर, और फिर वो शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट टीयर 2 एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बैठेंगे और फिर उस बेसिस पे फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट बनाया जाएगा और उस बेसिस पे फाइनल सिलेक्शन किया जाएगा। As far as salary per month is concerned, so salary per month would be rupees 47,600 to rupees 1,51,100. Experience required is nil. Nature of employment is permanent. And as far as age limit is concerned, so इसमें age limit 30 years for unreserved and EWS, 33 years for OBC, 35 years for ST/SC, and 40 years for PWD. And as far as application fee is concerned, तो इसमें ₹100 फॉर अनरिजर्व ओबीसी एंड ईडब्ल्यूएस एंड नील फॉर एसटी, एससी, पीडब्ल्यूडी, women and ex-servicemen. And the last date of application is 3rd of May 2023. Vacancy number 6 has came from Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. Name of the post is Senior Project Accountant. Total number of posts is 2, and education qualification required is Chartered Accountant, cost and management accountant or company secretary or MBA finance or BBA finance or BCom, and the mode of examination would be direct interview. Salary per month would be rupees 25,000 to rupees 50,000 per month. As far as experience is concerned, so 3 years for CA, CS, CMA, MBA finance and 5 years for BBA finance and BCom. इट मीन्स अगर आप CA हो, CS हो, CMA हो या MBA फाइनेंस हो तो आपके लिए 3 years एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड है, और अगर आप BBA फाइनेंस आपने कर रखा है या फिर BCom आपने कर रखा है, इन दैट केस 5 years एक्सपीरियंस इज रिक्वायर्ड। नेचर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल है, एज लिमिट इज 35 years, एप्लीकेशन फी इसमें निल है, द लास्ट डेट फॉर एप्लीकेशन is 17th of April 2023 and that is in offline mode. Vacancy number 7 has came from T-Board. Name of the post is CA Inter और CMA Inter. तो जैसा कि नोटिफिकेशन में कंपनी ने बताया है तो उन्होंने पोस्ट का नाम ही रखा है CA Inter और CMA Inter. Total number of post is 1, and as far as education qualification is concerned, तो इसमें minimum education qualification is either CA Inter or CMA Inter. Mode of examination would be walk-in interview. Salary per month would be rupees 35,000. Experience required is 2 to 5 years experience. Nature of employment contractual है. Age limit is 45 years. Application fee इसमें nil है, and the date of interview is 21st of April 2023. Vacancy number 8 has came from Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC. Name of the post is Assistant Director Forensic Audit. Total number of post is 1, which is reserved for scheduled caste. As far as education qualification is concerned, so the education qualification required is CA or CMA or CS or CFA, that is Chartered Financial Analyst, or MBA Finance or PGDM Finance or LLB or MCom. Mode of examination would be personal interview. Salary per month would range between rupees 47,600 to rupees 1,51,000. As far as experience is concerned, तो इन्होंने बताया है कि 1 year एक्सपीरियंस इन ऑडिट डिवीजन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट कंपनी और लिस्टेड कंपनी इज रिक्वायर्ड. नेचर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट परमानेंट है. एज लिमिट इज अपर एज लिमिट इज 35 years and the application fee is nil. Since this post is reserved for scheduled caste, इसलिए इसमें application fee nil है. And the last date of application is 27th of April 2023. Vacancy number 9 has came from Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation GMRC Limited. Name of the post is Senior Executive Finance and Accounts. Total number of posts is 2. As far as education qualification is concerned, so for the member of ICAI or member of ICMAI is required. It means the candidate who wants to apply for this post, they should have the membership of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or Institute of Cost Accountants of India. As far as mode of examination is concerned, so that would be direct personal interview, and salary per month would range between rupees 35,000 to rupees 1,10,000 rupees per month. As far as experience is concerned, so इसमें 3 years post qualification experience is required. Nature of employment contractual है. Age limit upper age limit 28 years है. Application fee nil है. And the last date of application is 18th of April 2023. And friends, our last vacancy has came from Indian Institute of Management, that is IIM Kozhikode. Name of the post is Academic Associate. Total number of posts is not mentioned in the recruitment notification. As far as education qualification is concerned, so the education qualification required is a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or MBA finance or MCOM. Mode of examination would be interview. Salary per month would be rupees 26,300. As far as experience is concerned, तो nil experience is required. Nature of employment contractual है. Upper age limit is 35 years. Application fee इसमें nil है. And the last date of application is 18th of April 2023. Friends, this is all government job updates for this week. Very soon I'll come up with another government job update vacancies. Till then, take care and subscribe our channel. Thank you.